LTG. We're here at CES 2011. I'm here with Doug Thompson to talk about Windows Slate.
Sure. Well, we have a selection of Windows slates here, Windows-powered slates here. This one particular one here is the ASUS. As you may have seen it in the keynote speech that we had on Wednesday night. This is the ASUS 121. This is running Windows Home Premium, 64-bit, 4 gig of RAM. So it's a Windows PC, just in a Slate form factor. This got 2 USB ports, HDMI out. So your traditional things that you have. If you have some Windows investments in hardware, they'll work in this. This is touch and pen enabled, so it's dual mode. I can use a pen as a stylus to ink or use it as an input method, and also have touch. For example, I've got Internet Explorer up right here. I have the pinch and zoom features that you would expect to have with a touch enabled device. For example, we have a application here written by Tribune Media. It's called Mosaic. It's about to come out. It's a great media consumption device. So it's written on Silverlight. I can click here, come up. It gives me an article type thing, just from a nice collage or mosaic, if you will. If I touch that, it pulls up the article on this. And this takes in RSS feeds. So again, it's just a nice way to consume information. As I click over here, it'll come to my home page. It's a Tribune device, so I can get to any of the Tribune papers that they have, Chicago Tribune, something like that. That's just one of our software applications that people are writing to take advantage of the touch on the Slate form factor on that. But again, because it is a Windows Slate, I can use Office. I can use all my other application on there just like anything else. So let's open up an Office application here. Let's open up OneNote. OneNote is great for inking because it recognizes ink as an input method. It recognizes that. So as I go on the screen here, I want to go ahead and create a new page. I can do Hello World, and it recognizes the ink. I can go here and do a search on ink. I can search on hello, and it would find hello and everything in ink and text format. So that's just some of the cool things that you can do with that. I can use this, and if you would imagine me holding this in my arm, in a minute, maybe I should put it in my arm. So as I pull this, you see it pulls up a tablet input panel. It knows I'm in Internet Explorer. It will pre-populate the most common parts of that, so I don't have to write the whole URL. I simply just put in the address that I want. Now, I'm going to write really poorly. Normally, I write poorly anyways, but I'm going to try to write extra poorly so you can see how good the handwriting recognition is. So I'll just type in Bing. As it comes back up, ding, that was close. But if I wanted to correct that, I simply come up and it says, oh, maybe you wanted Bing. And I'll put that in there. I can simply join those two things together, go to, and now I'm at my address. So imagine I'm here simply inputting that as opposed to putting in the whole URL. And a great device, ASUS doing some innovation. We have some other partners down here doing some atom-based ones, longer battery life on that. They're getting close to 8 hours of battery life on them, on the new Intel architecture on that. So just lots of form factors, lots of enablement going on to take advantage of the features that are in the Windows operating system.